All right, why is everyone buying this SVHT V15 cordless vacuum cleaner? I'm going to show you why. So first off, extremely high value. The number on the page should be way more than it is. Second, very easy to use. So I'm going to attach the first attachment there. This can also be lengthened like so, or it can be shortened, whatever you want to do. Let's just attach the main piece. We got the main piece right there. To turn it on, I'm just going to press this button right here. And then I'm going to go to turbo mode. So 2 different speeds. Got those lights on the front to shine any sort of dirt that's harder to see. Those lights are going to point it out to you. So it's going to point out the dirt. You can also go straight to the hardwood floor, and it's going to pick everything up here as well. Great. And as you can see, it's doing a good job picking everything up. So it does that. From here, we can attach another attachment here, or we can remove it like so. Come over here, get this attachment, and then we can come over here. Maybe get here in the couch, get behind the cushions, get up here. You know, that's one thing with that attachment. You've also got this third attachment right here. Right here. You can do other places. So whatever you want to do, you can do your car. Some people even use this one for their keyboard on their computer. Great. It comes, the third filter's in there, 2 extra filters here that it comes with. You can mount it to the wall with this mount where it just sits on it. Also has the mounting hardware you can use. This thing is amazing. I see why everyone's buying it. It's just selling in droves. This one right now, this one's selling $1,000 a month. They've got another version of this one selling another $1,000 a month. So everyone's buying this. I get why, and I think you should buy it too.